So today I'm working on putting up my cabinet door pulls finally. I just went out to the woods last fall, grabbed some curved pieces of wood, peeled off all the bark, and let them dry over the winter. Cut them so they sit flat like this. Drilled some holes in the back to catch the screws. And now I just have to mark them because they're all different sizes. So to mark them, I just take a piece of masking tape and run the masking tape on the, and try to find the hole. Where is the hole? There it is. Just mark the hole like that. You can use a nail or whatever you want, but I'm using my drill bit. Hard to find the hole. There it is, like that. Just mark the hole. So which side do I want at the top? I think I like it this way. And it doesn't have to be exact because it's you know, it's a chunk of wood out of the bush. Well, I'm going to take this, actually, put it on the front. I think that looks pretty good. Drill through. Take off my tape. Just using some number 6" and a quarter screws. Which way was the top? This way. Put my screws through. I don't want to use a drill for this because it could strip inside the handle. So I'm just going to do it all by hand. Get those in there. Get that one started. Get this one started. There's my fancy handle. That looks really good. I really like the look of that. That's going to be nice. And then take my last one and do the same thing with that. That's not too shabby. I think those are going to work just fine. Today I'm working on the barn board that we're going to be putting up at the peak of the front porch. And I just want to make sure we have enough, so I trimmed them all down a little bit just to make them so they fit together tightly. And we've got them all laid out here. Our maximum length we need is 4.5 feet. So I've got a total of 20 feet laid out here. So that should be more than enough, and I've got some extra boards there in case we need some more. But once we cut them all, we've got to cut them on the angle and, you know, screw them all up, do all that stuff, and it should be pretty good. There's my boards laying there. 20 feet. We need 24. So it should work.